Hello students, in today's class we'll study nervous system. So first of all, what actually system is? You might have read earlier about the terminology cell, tissue, organ system. So cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. Cell is something which is basic to any system. From those cells only the ultimate system is formed. These cells combine to form tissues, these tissues combine to form organs, and those organs combine to form organ system. So these all you have studied in your earlier classes. Here I'll directly deal with the nervous system. So nervous system is what? It is a complex system of nerves. Nervous system is made up of many nerves. And what is the function of nervous system? It carries messages to and from the brain and spinal cord. It carries the messages to brain and spinal cord and it carries them back from there. So this is the function of nervous system. So like I told, every system is made up of a basic cell. So like matter is made up of atoms. In similar way, nervous system is made up of neurons. Nervous system, anything basic to nervous system is neuron. The nervous system is made up of neurons. What is neuron? Neuron is the structural and functional unit of life. The structural and functional unit, if I am saying the terminology structural means the whole structure of nervous system is built upon the structure of neuron. So it is the structural unit. Like think of a wall. A wall is made up of bricks. In similar way, this nervous system is made up of neurons through its structure. And when we consider the function, neuron is the basic functional unit. From the function of neuron only the function of nervous system is achieved.